guys, welcome to my channel, Adia Sherelle. You watch my tutorial, you will know exactly how to do the invisible locks. I got the technique down, hands down. Best one right here. So make sure you like and leave a comment and stay tuned for the tutorial on these invisible locks. This is the first section. I'm going to split this into two. I have my two sections. Okay, take one of your little pins. So this right here, save the day. What you want to do is put the Loc N all over the perimeter of that first section. Twist it this way. Here, at the top, you want to roll, pinch, roll, pinch, roll, pinch, all the way down. Roll, pinch, roll, pinch, all the way down to the end. Roll and pinch. Okay? So once you're done with that, you're going to do the same thing to the other piece. Roll. We're going in the same direction. Roll and pinch. Roll and pinch. Roll and pinch. We have our two pieces right there. Now take your hair. Okay, this is about as much as I have here. All right. Stretch it out. Detangle it some. All right. So that's all prepped and ready to go. I'm just going to put it down for a moment. What I do is I kind of mimic the motion I'm going to do so I know how I'm going to overlap the hair. So take these two pieces and overlap it like so. Take your hair, okay? Start to twist it. Attach it right at the base where you crisscrossed. Twist your arms in opposite directions. Twist. They're going like into each other, like that. Twist, overlap. Twist, overlap. Twist, overlap. Twist, overlap. And at some point you want to stop and just check and see how's it looking. Okay? Looking good. So since it's looking good, I'm going to keep going. Just twist and overlap. Twist, overlap. Twist, overlap. Twist, overlap. Okay? Do that all the way down to the end. Okay. I'm going to cut off some of the thickness in this because the end, once you go past this point, you want it to be a little bit thinner because you're going to be rolling the hair up on itself. And I've seen different invisible locks. I do not like it when that bulb is like wide and it looks like a ball. I don't care for that look. I want it to look more like skinny. Okay, so now that this is done, you just measure to make sure everything's the same length. Okay, well, hold your head straight, make sure it's the same length. And then fold it up, okay? And then start to wrap it around. Like so. Okay. Wrap it around, wrap it around. And I like having the thin piece this way. I don't have to put rubber bands on it. And there you have it. Get a little close up. Ta-da! So I want to show you all how it looks when you switch sides. So I showed you from that side, now I'm going to show you from this side, okay? You want to twist, flat twist in this direction and twist down past it. Okay, don't just stop right there. Remember that. Just keep twisting all the way down far enough. Once I've done that, I always try to figure out which way I'll be twisting. So I'm going to be twisting like this. Crisscross this, okay? Just one over the other on top, just like that. The right one is on top. Take my hair and I'm like doing the motion that I would be twisting, okay? Put it up under, like I just slid it right in between the two. And just start twisting. You twist your wrist, overlap. Twist your wrist, overlap. Twist, overlap. So this row is done. Let me show y'all. And let me see too what's going on. Ooh, yes. I'm gonna just do two. Yeah. Right at the top, I only did two invisible locks and I divided it in half, but I made like little triangles. You don't have to do that. You could do it just straight down the middle, but I thought it would be cute to do this. It's just an added little touch, and I did the same thing to the other side, and there you have it. I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to venture out a little bit. Y'all bear with me. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to split it in half this way. All right. I don't know. This just popped in my head. I think it'll be super cute. I'm going to try it. I'm going to go for it and see how it actually turns out. But y'all see where I'm going with this, right? Y'all see where I'm going with this. This way. I can't twist down. Okay, so we got a flat twist to the back. So I'm going to overlap the top. The top will actually go over in front. So getting that in there and then twisting and overlapping. Something different, right? I like it. I'm going to do the next row the same way. Now that I'm on the other side, I did it the traditional way with doing the flat twist going downward. This row, I did two invisible locks. I did the same thing in the row above it. The two rows that are at the top of my head, what you see here, I did three invisible locks. So this is the final result. What do you all think? I love it. Love it. Okay? Yes. So this process, once you get the hang of it, it is not so bad. Just stick with it, follow my steps, do the same exact technique, and you should be okay. Make sure you subscribe to the tribe. I would love to have you a part of the community where I give you more hair tutorials, more tips. We just have fun, good vibes, energy, and loving natural hair. That's what we're about here. So come and join us. Thanks for watching. Bye. Watch my next video for parting.